It's not often I go out and recommend a product to my viewers and say, go buy that product. That's not me, that's not my style, ever. But however, once in a blue moon, I will highly recommend a product if I feel that product will save you a great deal of time, a boatload of money, and just works flawlessly right out of the box, basically becoming a no-brainer purchase. I can confidently say after 6 months of usage, the DJI mic is that once in a blue moon, no-brainer product. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Rich and welcome to the channel. I love testing and reviewing products, getting my hands dirty, really diving deep into the products, getting to know it, and really relaying that information to you guys, the viewers. You will always get my 100% honest opinion no matter what. If you want to support the channel, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for weekly videos. It is free after all, so smash that subscribe button. Now, I started off by saying the DJI mic is a once in a blue moon product, and the reason I say that is the wireless mic system can handle just about every type of content you throw at it, and it's compatible with nearly every device you could connect with: iPhones, Androids, Windows, Mac, and all types of cameras. And if that wasn't enough, it has excellent sound that is consistent no matter what device you have it connected to. And as a disclaimer, you are listening to it right now and you are going to hear it unedited throughout the entire video. If you're a content creator, there will most likely be times where you need to do a voiceover in front of your PC or have a Zoom call, make a talking head video like the one you're watching now, or go outside vlogging, and all of those I mentioned could use different types of microphones like a condenser mic, a boom mic, a lavalier mic, etc. So if you buy a different microphone for every type of content, that's where it starts to get crazy expensive. I have used the DJI mic for interviews, tutorials, reviews, vlogging, talking heads, you name it, all of it. I've been using it for all of my YouTube content for the past 3 months and it has not disappointed. Matter of fact, I'm super impressed at how versatile the DJI mic is, but even more importantly, it sounds great no matter what device you connect it to. This is not a microphone system that you need to fumble around with and spend hours setting up, downloading software. None of that is necessary. As soon as you open the case, the transmitter and receivers automatically sync and connect and you are ready to record. That really is a game changer in my mind, and I think you are going to see the same auto on connect feature come out with future products from companies like Rode and Shure, since it's such a beneficial feature that saves you a great deal of time. Now let's take a quick look at what you get with the DJI mic, then we'll touch base on some of the important features that I feel most content creators are definitely going to find useful. I won't go over every feature, just the features I feel that really make the DJI mic stand out. Then I'll let you know my final thoughts and who I think this product is best suited for. Comes with a nylon pouch that has 2 sections on the inside. There's a little divider right there. It's a really thick nylon. I think you guys can hear that, and it has a drawstring on top, so it's actually a nice little pouch. It's pretty sturdy. I don't know if it's waterproof or not. I don't know if I want to test that, but it's actually a pretty sturdy nylon pouch. Comes with 2 little puffs that you put on the top of your transmitter to block out excessive noise, wind noise, things of that nature. Also comes with a wireless charging case that has a real professional look and feel to it. It's got some heft, so it doesn't feel like a cheap plastic, and it has that beautiful matte black finish to it, which I really enjoy. On the back side of it, you have the USB-C port, so you can charge the wireless charging case. When we open up the wireless charging case, we have the 2 transmitters, the 1 receiver in the middle, and the 2 adapters. You have the Type-C for your Android devices and your Lightning connector for your iPhone. Now inside the wireless charging case, you have 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. Let's take a look at the transmitters. On the back of the transmitter, you have a clip that can clip onto any item really, clothing, a shirt, a coat, a hat, whatever you want to clip it onto. It also has a really convenient removable magnet that magnetizes to the back of the clip. That's how I'm wearing the microphone right now. You just put a magnet right under your shirt, and it just catches on there so it stays. So if it felt uncomfortable going on the top of your shirt or whatnot, that's no problem at all. You can just magnetize it onto an item. So it works really well too. On the left side, you have a charge port. You have the power button, so you can power on and off or mute the device. You also have a sync button on the other side, along with a record button which allows you to record directly to the device itself. So you don't need to connect it to anything. You can actually use this standalone and just use it as a recorder by itself. Taking a look at the receiver, on one side you have the 3.5 millimeter jack. You also have the TRS out port, which allows you to plug in headphones so you can have live audio, so you can hear that live audio back. Now on the front you have the OLED screen. It's a touch screen. It allows you to get into the settings, but it also gives you a visual indicator that you are recording. You can actually see your voice moving as you are speaking, giving you that indicator that you are recording. And on the other side, you have the power button and a charge port. All right, sound quality. Wireless high fidelity sound is deep and rich, and if the mic did not sound great, everything else I'm about to mention would be meaningless. The sound must be excellent, and it is. Now, ease of use is super important, and it could not be easier to pair the transmitter. Just open the case, and the DJI mic automatically syncs itself, and you are ready to record. If you're not the tech savvy type, this is a simple solution for you that just works straight out of the box. I love how this is an all-in-one system, and it's actually small and convenient. Everything you need is right here. Transmitter, 2 receivers, adapters, everything, and it charges itself. It's compact, it's lightweight, but yet it doesn't feel cheap. It actually has a little bit of heft to it, so you can tell that it's well made. It kind of feels like the case with Apple AirPods, just a little bit bigger, so if you can't tell through the screen, it actually feels like that, just a little bit bigger. I love how it has a 15-hour battery life, so you can record all day long and you're not gonna run out of battery. The screen on front of the receiver I really enjoy because when I have that on top of my camera, I have it facing me and it gives me a visual indicator that it's recording my voice. I like that because sometimes, who knows, you might not have plugged in a cable correctly, or you don't want to be doing things over and over, but it's just nice to have that visual indicator that it is recording and you can see it. I'm also really liking the magnetic design. It becomes really useful for when you want it to be a bit more discreet. You don't want to put it on the top of your collar, so you want to clip it to your shirt or clip it to anything really, and it will stay there. Really strong magnet in the back. And as an added bonus, you can take the magnet, move it to the bottom, and now you can place it on a surface without it falling over. I'm not sure you're ever gonna need this much range, but DJI says it has a range of 820 feet. Let's go outside and take it to the test. We're in beautiful Oregon today. I'm on the Peyton Bridge, which is 1,600 feet. Let's see if it can go halfway out, which is approximately 800 feet. Right now, I am at 100 feet. Right now, I'm at approximately 200 feet. Right now, roughly around 300 feet. We are approximately at 400 feet now. Approximately 400 feet. I'm approximately at 500 feet right now. That is my beautiful wife right next to the camera down there. This is about 600 feet away. 700 feet. About 800 feet away, I'm halfway down the bridge. All right, let's take this back inside and finish this up. The DJI mic is ideal for someone who is on a budget and doesn't want to buy multiple types of microphones to record different types of content. The DJI mic will handle all types of content you want to record, and the high fidelity sound is consistent no matter what device you connect it to. It's compact, it's lightweight, it's portable, and it comes with everything you need to connect to all devices with the included adapters. Throw it in your bag and you are good to go. I really do feel you're gonna get really good quality no matter what type of content you are recording with the DJI mic versus having to buy multiple different types of microphones that are specific for a specific type of content. Talking heads, voiceovers, interviews, things of that nature. This is the first time I've ever felt like a microphone system could handle all of that really well. And it comes in at 329 bucks. I mean, that's, to me, it's bonkers because I've spent well into the thousands on different types of microphones, and this holds up to most of them really well. So when you compare it like that, you think about it in the long term, if you're doing a lot of content or a lot of different types of content, that's where this becomes a Blue Moon product, a no-brainer. If you want to check it out, I have included the link in the description down below. That is going to wrap up our look at the DJI mic. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It does mean a lot to me, and it definitely helps the channel grow. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the comments section. Thank you for hanging out with me, and as always, I truly appreciate the support. I hope to see you guys in the next one. I'm out.